Hey there, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add signature in Google Docs. Let's begin. So once you open up your Google Documents, you're simply going to go to Insert here at the top, and then you're going to select Drawing, which is the third option. Then go to the right and select New. Then you have to wait a few seconds for it to load. Then once it's done, look for something which says Line. Afterwards, select the drop-down option, go all the way to the bottom, and use Scribble. From here, you can just scribble in your signature. Then once you're done, you can make some changes to the signature by changing the width of it. And you can also change the color to something like red, blue, green, and so on. So I'm going to keep it black. Then once you're happy with everything, select Save and Close. Then you can just click on the signature, and then you can just resize it to your liking. Once you're happy with everything, you can just simply save and then send the document. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free, and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.